Hello people, welcome to Shifting Gears and 2021 is shaping up quite well. आज हम चला रहे हैं Citroen की C5 Aircross SUV. Citroen is a new brand here in India और ये उनकी सबसे पहली गाड़ी है हमारे मार्केट के लिए. The Citroen C5 Aircross is the brand's flagship product और Citroen ये लेके आ रहे हैं इंडिया में as their halo car. This is the best effort that they have made globally. And this car is also going to be available to us, the Indian car buyer. अब आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about this Citroen C5 Aircross and its highway driving performance. कैसी है ये गाड़ी चलाने के लिए अगर आप इसे लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स के लिए इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हो. Now Citroen is calling this the comfort class drive. Citroen is saying that this car is going to be the most comfortable in the segment. अब Citroen जो है वो इस गाड़ी की कंपटीशन कंसिडर कर रहे हैं the Volkswagen Tiguan, Hyundai's Tucson and you can then get a reference where this car is going to be positioned. आज जब हम इस गाड़ी को चला रहे हैं this car is not officially launched yet तो हमें इसकी प्राइसिंग जो है ये पता नहीं है. But then you can expect that the prices are going to start somewhere between 20 to 25 lakh rupees ex showroom and you are going to get two variants with this Citroen C5 Aircross. You're going to get either the Shine variant or you will get the Feel variant. अब आपको इस गाड़ी के साथ दो वेरिएंट्स मिलने वाले हैं but the only difference in the two variants is going to be a panoramic sunroof जो आज हमारे इस वेरिएंट में नहीं है. Then you are going to get full LED headlights on the top trim and also you are going to get an electric tailgate release with a swipe gesture. तो ये तीन फीचर्स ही डिफरेंशिएट करने वाले हैं दोनों Citroen C5 Aircross मॉडल्स को. Apart from that you are going to get everything just the same in both those variants. So there is going to be no difference in terms of the engine, the gearbox and the features that you're going to get on the inside. तो चलिए अब बात कर लेते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप फैशन में. Right now, first let's talk about the engine specifications. ये जो Citroen की C5 Aircross SUV है, इसके साथ आपको एक सिंगल डीजल इंजन ऑप्शन ही मिलने वाला है. There is going to be no petrol engine option on offer. अब ये जो डीजल इंजन है, it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged block and it produces 177 PS with 400 Newton meters of torque. इसके साथ आपको एक standard 8-speed automatic gearbox option मिल जाएगा and Citroen is claiming that this car will deliver 18.6 kmpl of ARAI rated fuel efficiency. इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको कोई भी manual gearbox option भी नहीं मिलने वाला है. So what I am driving right now is the only package, is the only deal that you're going to get when you have to be behind the wheel of this C5 Aircross. अभी इस वीडियो में हम इस गाड़ी को हाईवे पे चला रहे हैं. We are effortlessly cruising on the Mumbai-Pune expressway. So the first thing that I want to touch base upon is the cruise control system. इस गाड़ी में जो cruise control के लिए आपको buttons दिए गए हैं, they have been positioned over here as a separate stock on the steering column. But check this out. जब मैं cruise control set करना चाहता हूँ and you know when I want to set the speed, तभी आपको यहाँ पे main infotainment पे भी एक option आ जाता है. Then you can select the cruise control speed and that's it. If you have to prompt something, आपको यहाँ पे एक बटन दिया गया है, then you can select that particular speed and this is just fantastic. I'm going to demonstrate that to you one more time. तो यहाँ पे अभी मैं cruise control deactivate कर देता हूँ and check this out. When I have to set it, I can either press this button over here या फिर आपको यहाँ पे ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं. So you have 50, 80, 110 and 130. Let me select 90 kilometers per hour right now and then I have to press this button and then it is going to be set at 90 kilometers per hour. It is just that simple. It is quite intuitive in terms of operating it from this infotainment. अगर आपको एक desired speed set करनी है rather than just using this stock, because this stock is just not that great. It is very, very annoying. I have hated this kind of a system that I have seen even in the Renault Duster and even here on this Citroen C5 Aircross. I don't really like it. I would have loved if the cruise control buttons were conventionally placed on the steering wheel. But let's not nitpick about that too much. अभी बात कर लेते हैं इस गाड़ी के NVH पैकेज की. Citroen कह रहे हैं कि ये गाड़ी सबसे कंफर्टेबल होने वाली है और अगर आपको किसी भी गाड़ी में कंफर्ट चाहिए, cabin insulation is the top point which you need to consider. And this car is just phenomenal. अभी हम मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेसवे पे ये गाड़ी चला रहे हैं and even on a concrete piece of road, there is absolutely no road noise that is creeping inside the cabin. टायर नॉइज जो है वो भी काफी कम है and there is no wind noise that I can hear at 80 kilometers per hour. I'm going to increase the cruise control speed right now. Right now I am touching 90 kilometers per hour. Absolutely no road noise, no wind noise that is creeping inside the cabin, and this is fantastic. The cabin is so quiet. ये एक turbo diesel engine है. This is a 4-cylinder motor. There is no diesel engine noise that is coming inside the cabin, creeping inside the cabin. And at 90 kilometers per hour, the engine has still engaged 7th gear. It is not even in its 8th gear. इस गाड़ी में आपको एक 8-speed automatic gearbox दिया गया है. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आपको पैडल शिफ्ट्स भी मिल जाते हैं, and then you can take manual controls over the engine and gearbox. And at 90 kilometers per hour, the engine doesn't even allow me to upshift to 8. So you have to be well over 90 to engage the 8th gear of this Citroen C5 Aircross. So that is something that you have to keep in mind, that you cannot take manual intervention over the gearbox and stay in a higher gear at lower speeds. We are inside a tunnel right now, so I can very quickly show you that this car gets ambient lights. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो टनल कंसोल के 2 कप होल्डर्स में आपको ambient lights देखने मिलेंगे. You have that over here in this cubby hole जहाँ पे आप अपने स्मार्टफोन को प्लेस कर सकते हो, and even around the door handles, the door opening levers, वहाँ पे भी आपको ambient light मिल जाती है. But it is nothing great, but at least you are getting it to add some amount of wow factor जब आप ये गाड़ी रात को चला लेते हो. इस गाड़ी में टोटल आपको 3 ड्राइविंग मोड्स मिलते हैं. जब आप गाड़ी स्टार्ट कर देते हो, इट स्टार्ट्स इन स्टैंडर्ड डिफॉल्ट मोड. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव इको मोड एंड यू हैव स्पोर्ट मोड. उसके लिए आपको बटन्स दिए गए हैं which have been positioned in front of the gear selector. So once you start the engine, the car starts in standard driving mode. After that you have to long press these buttons. Long pressing on eco. Eco is now active. आपको स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर पे कहीं पे भी इको लिखा हुआ नहीं नजर आएगा. I can't actually see it. I don't know if you can. If you do, let me know in the comments below. And after that, if I switch to sport, long pressing it on sport. Now check this out. आपको यहाँ पे sport clearly mentioned दिखाई देता है. लेकिन जब आप ये ड्राइव मोड्स सिलेक्ट करते हो and when you toggle between them and when you toggle the speedometer display, आपको कुछ लेआउट्स में इको मोड भी यहाँ पे देखने मिलेगा, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड विच ड्राइविंग मोड यू हैव सिलेक्टेड, सो you can have better control over the engine and gearbox, so you can get more efficiency or you can get more power on tap when you want to sprint hard with this C5 Aircross. And then when I am driving in sport mode and whenever I want to, make an overtaking maneuver, when I give this throttle pedal a nice kick down, there is very good amount of torque that you can play around with. 400 Newton meters, that is a lot. And this Citroen C5 Aircross picks up pace very very swiftly and very very briskly, और आपको ये चीज काफी पसंद आएगी. And also the way the power and torque is delivered, it is very linear, तो आपको ज्यादा torque surge feel नहीं होता है. You do not feel that spike in power and torque. So when you do that, all the passengers inside the cabin, you will be comfortable, they will be happy, and they will not feel like the driver is in fast and furious mode. Another thing to notice, जब आप ये गाड़ी स्पोर्ट मोड में चलाते हो या जब भी आपको मैनुअल कंट्रोल चाहिए ओवर द इंजन एंड गियर बॉक्स, यहाँ पे एक M बटन भी दिया गया है. So when you press this, it will notify you on the driver information display that you have selected manual controls of this engine and gearbox now. लेकिन यहाँ पे गियर स्टिक पे आपको कोई टिप्ट्रॉनिक फंक्शन नहीं मिलता है. So do not play around with this gear stick, क्योंकि अगर आप इस गियर स्टिक को नीचे की तरफ पुश कर लेते हो, it won't be a problem because there is no other selection mode that is available. लेकिन अगर आप इसे ऊपर पुश कर दोगे, the car will switch to neutral and that is not ideal जब आप हाईवे पे ये गाड़ी चला रहे हो. So keep that in mind. But for you to have fun, you have these paddle shifts over here on the steering wheel, and when you are in manual mode, the gear shifts happen quite swiftly. And right now I'm in third, and at 80 kilometers per hour, full kick down, and it is quite fast, and it is a fantastic car if you think that you want to sprint hard from a standstill, or if you just want to overtake some cars out on the highway. And when you are taking manual controls, the upshifts and downshifts, they are very swift. काफी fast है इसका गियर बॉक्स, और ये आपको काफी पसंद आएगा, क्योंकि जब भी आपको गाड़ी तेज चलानी है और अगर गियर बॉक्स जो है वो 1 सेकेंड ले लेता है, या it is not too fast to respond, you will not feel that connected with the car, you will not feel that connected with the engine, and then it will just hamper your progress. So I think sport mode is going to be a lot of fun, especially with this manual control, with this paddle shifts that are offered on the steering wheel. But now I'm going to come to a complete standstill. I'm going to pull over to the shoulder and I'm going to stay in sport mode. अभी मैं पूरी तरीके से गाड़ी रोक दूंगा and I'm going to sprint hard. So I'm not keeping it in manual mode. I'm keeping it in standard D mode, but in sport mode. So in 3, 2, 1, full kick down. Some wheel spin because there is a lot of torque. Keep listening to the engine. I'm already over 120 kilometers per hour. And the Citroen C5 Aircross, it is a big SUV, it is tall, it is wide, and let me tell you, it is fast. It picks up pace so well, it picks up pace so fast, so quickly, and it does that while keeping you comfortable because the ride quality is just superb in this C5 Aircross. When the brand is claiming, जब Citroen ये कह रहा है कि ये गाड़ी जो है, it is going to redefine comfort in its segment, make no mistake, they are not lying, and you will feel that when you are in this car and when you are going out for a long drive. जब आप गाड़ी तेज चला लोगे, इसका suspension setup जो है, it will not make you feel that it is moving around too much. There is no vertical movement that is going to make you feel uncomfortable. There is not too much of waftiness, and the car will not feel nervous at all. अभी अगर आपने reviews देखे हैं online of this Citroen C5 Aircross, a lot of people might have said that it is maybe too softly sprung and it is not going to be too dynamically rich. But just don't listen to all of that, क्योंकि Indian road conditions पे आपको बहुत कम ऐसे चांस मिलते हैं कि आपको गाड़ी कॉर्नर्स में इतनी तेज चलाने मिल जाती है that you will feel that the suspension should have been a little bit more tighter. Even in corners, the Indian road conditions are actually quite undulated, and a comfortable suspension setup, a car which is set up to deliver comfort to you on the inside, is more ideal. And this Citroen C5 Aircross is doing that just right. Check this out. When I want to make fast-paced overtakes and when I have to, very quickly make lane changes, the car is not at all lethargic. You will feel that there is a slight amount of pitch and roll because of the softly set up suspension. लेकिन फिर भी at all times the car stays in your control and you will not feel like it is too lazy and it is too late to respond. अब जब response की बात कर ही रहे हैं, let's talk about the steering wheel. इस Citroen C5 Aircross के साथ आपको एक flat top, flat bottom steering wheel मिल जाता है. It looks quite nice and I really like the way it feels in my hand. आपको leather wrap steering wheel दिया गया है. And check this out, जब भी आपको बहुत sharp steering input देना है, when you want to really, change the lane swiftly and quickly, the steering wheel does a decent job of giving you good amount of confidence where the wheels are pointed. But the suspension setup will make you feel that pitch and roll because this car is more tuned towards comfort, and you will notice that when you are making these lane changes that the suspension is soft, it is cushiony. I really appreciate the amount of effort the brand has put in to make this car comfortable on the normal driving road condition here in India. जब आप हाईवे पे इस तरीके से गाड़ी तेज चला रहे हो, it is not going to be ideal for you to make such, fast-paced, really sharp lane changes. It is only going to be at times जब आप एक emergency encounter कर लेते हो, and when there is such a situation, the car will help you have good control over it so that you are not scared and you can avoid that particular incident or that emergency. Talking about the steering wheel, city speeds पे steering wheel काफी light है. आप एक single उंगली के साथ इस steering wheel को twist कर पाओगे. You can make U-turns effortlessly and there is going to be no problem. In terms of driver's point of view, I really like the view over here of this cockpit. आपको speedometer cluster में 3 अलग-अलग type के display भी दिए गए हैं. You have minimum, you have personal and you have dials, and all these 3 layouts are quite nice. ये जो ओवरऑल इंटीरियर कैबिन है, इट इज क्वाइट मिनिमलिस्टिक. इट हैज बीन केप्ट सिंपल बट इट डज फील नाइस एंड प्रीमियम. एंड आई रियली लाइक द डार्क थीम्ड इंटीरियर अपहोल्स्ट्री. इंटीरियर कैबिन के डिपार्टमेंट में कुछ लोगों को ये लग सकता है दैट इट इज नॉट रियली ऑल दैट वाइड एंड दैट यू माइट फील क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक. बट द थिंग इज, अगर आप इसका टॉप मॉडल खरीद लेते हो जिसमें आपको एक पैनोरामिक ग्लास रूफ मिलने वाला है, इट इज गोइंग टू अलाउ अ लॉट मोर लाइट, इट इज गोइंग टू अलाउ फॉर अ लॉट मोर ड्रामा जब आप ये गाड़ी रात को चला लोगे, एंड देन यू विल नॉट रियली फील क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक. But even with dark themed interiors, I think that the car is super duper wide. I can't even reach the extreme end very easily. And the front occupants, आप दोनों भी एक दूसरे को elbow नहीं करोगे. There is just fantastic amount of width inside the cabin. तो इस गाड़ी का जो इंटीरियर वीडियो हम अलग से अपलोड कर रहे हैं, do check it out. You will get to know all about the space, all about the features, and about the comfort that this comfort class SUV is offering to you. Now, so far I have mentioned that the steering wheel is reasonably light. It gives you good confidence as well out on the highway. The suspension setup is fantastic. And let me also mention that ये गाड़ी जो है एक front wheel drive vehicle है. It doesn't really have all wheel drive or 4x4, लेकिन फिर भी आपको traction control modes दिए गए हैं.
So check this out. You have this rotary knob over here, और इसे जब आप twist कर देते हो, you can toggle between normal mode, snow mode, mud mode, sand mode, and you can also deactivate ESP.
So if you think that you want more control over this engine and gearbox, and if you think that you don't want the traction control to interrupt, you can switch it off if you feel like. But even with all of these modes, keep that in mind that this car is not an all-wheel drive vehicle. तो आप इसे थोड़े बहुत trails पे जरूर लेके जा पाओगे, but don't really drive it in slush because you will get stuck, and then it is going to be a tricky situation for you and for this C5 Aircross. Right now we are approaching Lonavala and we are going to encounter a ghat section. So let's check out कैसा है इस गाड़ी का ghat driving experience. How does it handle itself in twists and turns and at reasonable speeds? So I have still selected sport mode and right now I am in standard D mode. मैंने manual control नहीं लिया है over this engine and gearbox. And let's check out how this car handles and how it performs. The thing that I am really liking is that the suspension over undulated concrete roads such as these, it keeps me very very happy on the driver's seat. And check this out, in sport mode, when I want to make fast paced overtakes, it does drop gears quite quickly, and as soon as you ease off from the throttle pedal, it also upshifts quite early. So जैसे ही आप accelerator input release कर देते हो, the car will ensure that it goes back to being efficient. And right now out on the highway, out on such fast paced twisty roads, this Citroen C5 Aircross, I won't say that it is a corner carver. ये गाड़ी जो है corners में इतनी ज़्यादा खुश नहीं होगी because you will feel that pitch and roll because of the soft suspension. But it does handle reasonably, और आपको कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा that you are losing traction and the car is, feeling too nervous maintaining those speeds. What you will have to do is, you will have to understand, you will have to go through the learning curve of the car. Check this out. Quite a sharp turn input, but no kickback from the steering wheel. The wheels did not squeal too much, and me as a driver, I was confident to make this turning input, to make that turn and maneuver this car well. And I am having quite a decent time in this car. It is quite a tall car, by the way. It is the tallest and widest in its class. So, you have to respect that. You have to understand that the center of gravity is going to be slightly on the higher side. लेकिन फिर भी, it handles quite maturely. And the best thing, it does all of this while keeping you comfortable. The seat is so supportive, it is so cushiony, and couple that with this fantastic suspension setup, you the driver, you the owner of this Citroen C5 Aircross SUV, you are going to be very very happy. And check this out, it really really handles quite well. It's going to be no problem at all. And with all the power and torque that this car has to offer, with this fast shifting 8-speed automatic gearbox, I think ये गाड़ी जो है, it will be a very good highway mile muncher, because all of you, all the 5 passengers in this cabin, all of you are going to be comfortable, and this car is also going to be comfortable, maintaining really high speeds and just munching miles and helping you reach your destination faster. Some other finer details जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. इस गाड़ी का सस्पेंशन सेटअप जो है, for your comfort, it is tuned on the softer side. इसकी वजह से जब आप ये गाड़ी हार्ड एक्सेलरेट करते हो, when you really stomp on the accelerator pedal, and at times when you really stomp on the brake, जब आपको बहुत जल्द ये गाड़ी रोकनी है, you want to bring it to a halt, at that times you know notice some amount of nosedive when you are braking, and when you are heavy on the throttle pedal, you do feel some amount of lift. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. The other feature which I really like in whichever car I see is blind spot assistance. आपको जो विंग मिरर्स दिए गए हैं on this Citroen C5 Aircross, वहाँ पे आपको एक orange illumination आ जाता है if someone is driving in your blind spot. So you can very clearly see it, and you will be able to avoid that particular vehicle or that motorist, and because of that you can drive safe, and you can also ensure that other motorists safety. So I really like that safety feature as well in this car. अगर ब्रेकिंग डिपार्टमेंट की बात करें तो ब्रेक पेडल पे से जो फील आपको मिलता है, it is quite satisfactory. The braking bite is nice and progressive, so you can very easily bring this car back in your control and slow it down, and there is going to be no complaints in the braking department. It is not overly sharp, and the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that there will be some amount of nosedive, so don't really stomp on the brakes if there is no need to do that. अब अगर सेफ्टी की बात करें, इस गाड़ी में आपको मल्टीपल एयरबैग्स दिए गए हैं. यू हैव curtain airbags, you have front and side airbags, you have stability control, you have blind spot assistance, you have coffee brake alert, आपको all 4 disc brakes दिए गए हैं, you have an electronic park brake, and there is just so much that is going to keep you safe and happy in the head that this car is going to be safe for you and your family. अभी इंडिया स्पेक कार का क्रैश टेस्ट रेटिंग जो है ये हमें पता नहीं है, but this car is assembled here in India. It is not completely made in India. This is a CKD product. So I think it should do fairly well in crash tests. Before I end this video, let me quickly revise things for you. The steering wheel gives you a good sense of where the wheels are pointing. It is nice and light inside the city as well. Suspension setup सबसे बढ़िया है इस segment में. आपको इससे ज़्यादा comfortable कोई भी गाड़ी नहीं feel होने वाली है. So do give it a test drive. Do check out our backseat experience video as well, where we tell you how this car feels. अगर आप ये गाड़ी as a chauffeur-driven car खरीदना पसंद करोगे, the engine is fantastic, it is super refined, and the gearbox is also fast shifting and fast responding as well जब आप manual controls ले लेते हो from these paddles on the steering wheel. I have been very happy and I have been very comfortable. Of course, we will drive this car again, and then if we find any niggles, any negatives, we will tell that to you. In terms of negatives, the only thing is that this car is not going to be for the extreme enthusiast. तो अगर आपको गाड़ी सिर्फ तेज चलाना पसंद है, अगर आप काफी वाइंडिंग रोड्स पे गाड़ी काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली चला लेते हो, where you really like to attack corners, this car is not meant for you. This car is not meant for that purpose as well. So you have to understand the nature of the car when you buy it and then drive it accordingly. So let me know what is your opinion. Will you buy this Citroen C5 Aircross? This is the brand's first car in India. Will you have enough confidence in spending so much money and bringing this car home? Citroen is soon going to launch more cars here for the Indian market. They are also going to enter the budget segment. So just stay tuned and watch out what they have in store for us. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. Press the bell icon if you haven't. Always drive safe. Always wear your seat belts and have fun whenever you can on highways. But try to follow speed limits and just enjoy driving. It is a fun experience. It is such a detoxing experience, and I really like to stay behind the wheel. So should you, but you should always stay safe and you should always respect other road users.